lots of snow today. Hey, Merry Christmas! I love it when it's snowing and children sing outside, when strangers share a smile with you and everything feels right. It's time to wrap those presents and do last minute things. Call mom and dad to this and that before their friends come in. Now we all heard a million times, oh, Santa's not for real, but here today I can't resist this magic that I feel. So come on, light those candles and let's play out in snow. Let's make the wish and steal that kiss beneath that mistletoe. Oh yes! Let's make some noise, you girls and boys, and help him find a way. He's coming here today. Oh, Merry, Merry Christmas to all the friends around, yeah. Now let me tell you this. There's nothing more I'm wishing for